When I bought this label printer, I really wasn't sure how it worked, and now that I have it, I'm still not sure how it works, but it does work. This is the on-off button here. I have it on, and the first thing you need to do is go on your phone and download the X-Easy Label app. Once that's downloaded, you can open it, and there are several different label templates you can choose from. Or you can go back and you can create your own, and you can pick a frame. There's lots of different frames to choose from. Let's just choose this one, okay? And then on here, double click, and then you type what you want. You have different fonts you can choose from, different styles, and let's just go with the bold here. Okay, and let's try, let's say this is for a spice jar. Let's put garlic salt. Or let's just do garlic here. And then when you're done, down here it says print label, and here's the magic.
Oh, shit.